my great friends, welcome to another tutorial video. And for today's video I want to show you a simple method how to get iOS keyboard to your Android phone. This is an example of my phone, which is Android. This is an example of the keyboard I'm talking about, and thereafter when you change it to look like that of the iOS stroke iPhone, so be keen. I'll just show you a simple method with no roots how you can get iOS keyboard to your Android phone. Now, before I continue with the tutorial video, I want to congratulate everyone, my new members, my new subscribers, those who are watching, those who are listening. Thank you very much. Let me give a shout out to everyone who has commented on my previous video tutorial. I'll display them on this video. As you can see, I have a lot of them, but I have to display some of you. Thank you very much. If you'd like to see your comment on my next tutorial video, please leave a comment. Now, to get a iOS keyboard on your Android phone, the simplest way you can do it, just go to your Play Store, just open your Play Store, then install this app. It is known as a green Apple keyboard. I just give a link on my video, on this video description. You can just tap on the link that I provide to download the app. Just tap, or you install the app on your Android phone. Just install it. After installing it, you have some other simple steps for you to install the iOS keyboard. When you install the app, you just tap on open. Just click to open the app. Then there are some settings you have to enable. Just click enable in settings, tap there. Then you have to manage the keyboards which are on your phone. For example, when you look at my phone, I have Samsung keyboard, Google Voice typing keyboard, and the green Apple keyboard. This is the app that I've downloaded. So you have to enable. Yes, you have to enable like that. Then you have to go to option 2, which is to switch input method. You just tap on this switch input methods. Just type like that. Then choose the green Apple. Then number 3, you have to click here, finished, tap there. Then you'll be directed to the green Apple keyboard settings. Just tap on keyboard themes here. Just tap there like this. Then you choose dark. You have to apply dark Apple theme, this one. So you just tap here to apply, and that is all. about getting iOS keyboard on your Android phone. When you go back to your phone and try to go to your keyboard like this, you know that my previous keyboard was different from this one. You can see the one which I've installed, which I have applied, it is the iOS keyboard. You can have a look. It is this one with different emojis on iOS. The keyboard will look like this. That is all about for tutorial today. I hope you have enjoyed my tutorial. If you are new to this channel, watching and listening, please remember to promote my channel, subscribe. Remember also to turn on the bell for notification for you to be notified anytime I publish a similar content on my YouTube channel. Thank you for today. We will meet again in another content. Bye.